Ooh, that's a good shot. Hey, Dad,
What?
I was thinking,
Yeah?
yeah, I was thinking that we could do a series called Health is Not an Accident. What do you think about that?
Boy, I think that's great. It's a good title.
Yeah, well, what would you say about health being something that people can actually take charge of?
Well, one thing for sure is that we have to convince the people that are giving all of the authority to medical licensed people to take charge of their health and be responsible for it and make changes in the way they live their life in order to improve their health. It's pretty simple, and it all goes back to what Hippocrates promoted, and that was that let food be your medicine and let your medicine be your food.
Cool.
How about that, eh?
That's good.
You can't get much more basic than that.
Yeah. So what would be the first thing that someone would do to take charge of their own health without getting overwhelmed? Like what would be just one simple thing that people could do today?
Start eating things that are grown organically, and if they're consuming meat, make sure that it's grass-fed rather than grain-fed. And you have to do a little research in order to find sources for that sort of thing. But and one of the simplest ways is to just buy food that's in the outsides of grocery stores rather than on the shelves inside.
Right. So to start with natural food, not food that comes out of a box.
Right, yeah. If it's got a package on it and lists the ingredients, don't eat it.
Boom. Good. Cool.
How about that, eh?
So what else? One last thing, and then we
Yes.
got to go.
One last thing. Start thinking that you are in control of your health. And one of the ways to do that is to think of yourself as being your own physician.
Cool. Nicely said.
How's that?
Pretty good.
Okay.
Cool.
I thrive on good thoughts coming my way.
Cool. All right.
Okay.
All right. Say bye.
Okay, bye.